So we are going to end today with a poem titled Whenever It's December.
Whenever it's December. Whenever it's December, and I think about the year, both the one that's almost over and the one that's nearly here, I recall how in the springtime all of nature was transformed as the flowers started blooming and the winter weather warmed. Then the summer followed springtime. How the months went by so fast! I had thought the long and sunny days would last and last and last. But the summer turned to autumn, and the leaves began to blow. I could tell that pretty soon we would be blanketed in snow. Now it's once again December, and the days are growing colder. I'm another 12 months wiser, and another 12 months older. And I dream about the new year, and the old one I remember. It's the way I like to celebrate, whenever it's December.